Okay, so git use force push with lease. So controls whether force pushing uses the safer force with lease variant. Now, force pushing is usually a bad idea, and I discourage it because it unconditionally overrides the remote repository. So if anyone made changes to that repository, you're going to overwrite those changes with your local copy. So work might be lost. Force with lease it's a conditional force. So if no one else made changes to the remote repository, you can do a force push because no work will be lost. But if someone else has made some changes, if someone else has pushed before you have, it's not going to allow you to push. So this is a safer force push option. However, force in itself is not really a good idea, and I discourage it. But either way, if you're thinking about using that, use force push with lease. So I recommend leaving this setting as true.